everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really awesome spicy appetizer, and it's buffalo cauliflower. Buffalo cauliflower is a great alternative to buffalo chicken bites or buffalo chicken wings. They're great for a party situation, an appetizer, a snack for yourself, for spicy food lovers. Game day, it's awesome. What you're really doing here is you take cauliflower florets and you'll just batter them up. You're going to bake them and brush them down, bake them a little bit more with a homemade buffalo sauce. And they're super addictive. Everybody loves these. I love them very much. So let me show you how to make them. All right, let's make some buffalo cauliflower bites. I've got an average size head of cauliflower here, and I removed all the leaves from the bottom and part of the stem. So really much, you want to break it up into florets, however you want to, really. I'm just going to cut it in half, get it chopped here. And then I'm just going to break it apart with my hands. You know, boom, there's a good sized floret. You can chop it all up if you want to. And once you get them all broken apart kind of nicely, we're going to get them battered up and cooked up. So, oh yeah, look at that. You don't want these like all the stem parts, but yeah, pretty easy to do. I think this guy's kind of large, so I think I'm going to cut him in half. I want it to be a little bit more bite-sized, a little bit more like almost like a buffalo chicken wing size. So yeah, it looks pretty good, right? All right, I'll be back when this is all broken apart, and then we'll get the batter going. All right, I've got my florets all chopped up nicely here. And the next thing we want to do is make our batter. So let me get those ingredients. I'm going to pop this into a bowl, and we will continue. All right, next up is to make our batter. This is very simple. We have half a cup of flour. Get in the bowl. And I have a 1/4 cup of milk. Pop it in there. I have a 1/4 cup of water. And some seasonings here. I'm using a tablespoon of cayenne powder. That's a nice spicy powder, chili powder. You can use your favorites, and you can use other ones that you want to. And I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, a few grinds, just for a little bit of flavor. Pop it in, and get it all whisked together. Keep mixing until you have yourself a nice, consistent batter. And this is probably enough for a smallish head of cauliflower. If you need a little bit more, you can add a little bit more flour, a little bit more liquid to it, just to get it, just to have enough batter for your overall cauliflower if you're making a double batch and such. So, all right, got my batter right here. It is pretty good thickness, excellent. And all right, let me get a baking sheet, and we will coat up our cauliflower bits. All right, next step, let's batter these babies up. I've got my cauliflower bites here, my little florets. I'm just gonna pop it into the batter here and just get them nicely coated. And you don't wanna oversaturate these, just get a nice light coat on them. And I'm gonna set them onto a baking sheet with a little bit of parchment paper. It'll make your cleanup a lot easier. And you can do a bunch of these at once if you want to, or just one at a time, whatever you're most comfortable with. But just get a nice light coating, like so. These are going to be outstanding. They're be like a little buffalo cauliflower wings or buffalo cauliflower bites, or really however you want to call it. All right, I'll be back when these are all done. All right, I've got all my cauliflower florets battered up. And let me go ahead and clean up a little bit, and then we can bake these babies up. So we're going to bake them at 450 degrees for 20 minutes until they kind of crisp up and get delicious. And while that's happening, we are going to make our buffalo sauce. So, all right, be right back. All right, while the buffalo cauliflower is baking, let's go ahead and make our buffalo sauce. This is a homemade version, and you guys can use your own favorite from the store. I have another recipe for this on the website with a little bit more ingredients to it, a little bit more elaborate, but it's pretty much the same. This is a kind of a simplified version, but it's super delicious. So here I have a 1/2 cup of hot sauce, and just gonna get that put into a pan and heat it up a little bit. And I'm gonna whisk in some butter. I've got a couple tablespoons here of chilled kind of cooler butter, and you're just gonna whisk it all together to kind of get it incorporated into the hot sauce, because buffalo sauce really is at its core, it's hot sauce with butter and melted butter. And you can melt the butter first if you want and kind of whisk it all together that way. Makes it pretty easy, but this is just another way to do it. So let me get this popped in there. Boom. Try not to make too much of a mess like I tend to do in the kitchen. Get it mixed in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Butter and hot sauce. Deliciousness. All right, so now you can add some seasonings here at this point. I like to add a few different things. I've got some granulated garlic, probably about maybe a tablespoon or so. And I have some sweet paprika. Smoked is great here. Drop that in. And I have some Worcestershire sauce, however you say it, Worcestershire. Get that popped in. And you just want to mix it all together. And you can add other ingredients here too if you want to add a little salt, a little pepper. Sometimes I add a few pinches of ghost pepper powder. Gives it a little extra heat to it. It just depends on your overall chili head level. And all right, you don't even really need to bring it to a boil. You just want to make sure it's nicely incorporated. And all right, I'm going to remove this from heat. Transfer this to a bowl. And all right, woo, we are good to go. Just don't make a mess like I do. All right, hot out of the oven. Got some baked cauliflower bites here, or baked cauliflower wings, whatever you want to call them. All right, next up here is once they're out of the oven, we're going to go ahead and just kind of brush on some of the buffalo sauce. So you can just pour it over the top if you want. So get them all coated up, and once they're all coated, we're going to pop it back into the oven and bake it for a little bit longer and let these flavors finally develop. So just about done here. Get the last few. And it looks like I've used probably a little bit over half of the buffalo sauce that I made. And that's actually perfect because we're going to use the whatever's left at the end to kind of give them one more blast of buffalo sauce flavor. So, all right, got these all nicely coated up. Get them nice and buffalo-y juicy. And, all right, let me set this down. All right, so I'm gonna pop this back in the oven and bake them for another 5 to 10 minutes to really bring all that flavor together. Just finish them up, and then boom, buffalo cauliflower bites. We're gonna be enjoying these soon, so. All right, guys, be right back. All right, here we go. Boom, buffalo cauliflower. We are done. This is the last step right here, so all we have to do now is whatever buffalo sauce you got left, just go ahead and get one more little glaze, finish up whatever's left here, and that's it, guys. That's how you make buffalo cauliflower, whether you want to call it buffalo cauliflower chicken, buffalo cauliflower bites, pretty much whatever. It's buffalo cauliflower, and it's just outstanding. The thing you have to be aware of is this is actually pretty darn addictive. Everybody who's ever tried this is like, whoa, I can't believe how awesome this is, and it's cauliflower. I'm like, believe me, it totally is. So yeah, let me take a little bit of a bite here. Hold on a sec. I'll take a small piece. Oh yeah. Woo, hot. Outstanding. I love this stuff. Buffalo cauliflower, delicious. Once you're all done, get it wiped down with whatever buffalo sauce you got left. Pop it into a bowl, and you can serve it with a bit of ranch dressing, a little blue cheese, whichever you prefer. I'm a blue cheese guy. Patty likes ranch, whatever you want to do. So that's it, guys. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. That's how you make buffalo cauliflower. I hope you like it as much as I do. It's a great appetizer, great for parties or game day, and you can spice it up as much as you want to. So that's it. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.